Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. So I was worried about doing this here video because I prematurely buzzed my hair off before doing the video, and this is a topper. So typically you don't wear toppers with a buzz cut. You know, I'm kind of now having to wear wigs, but this topper and this type of topper, is something that I think I can easily show you so you guys can get an idea of what it offers and how easily you can wear it with your biological hair, and how, you know, fantastic the features are and everything that it offers. So I've shared a lot of toppers from this brand before. It's a fantastic brand. I love this brand. It's so innovative and unique, and it serves such a fantastic purpose. This is a thin hair thick topper. So if you haven't seen some of my videos throughout the years, thin hair thick, they have a patented topper. It's a clipless topper. So those who wear toppers on the daily, you know, you often deal with traction alopecia, with soreness, you know, where those clips sit. And with a thin hair thick topper, you do not have to deal with the pain, with, you know, the pulling, with any of that with their clipless toppers. And this here is another clipless topper, but this has a different base construction and it has a lace front, and this is a larger base as well. It's just absolutely beautiful. I was able to go to Hair Club and Thin Hair Thick along with a winner of a topper. Our local hair club styled the thin hair thick topper, and that was part of the giveaway. So I went along and, you know, saw the whole thing completed, and in doing that, I tried on this here topper, fell in love, and I ended up taking this topper home. I've worn it a lot, and I'm kind of bummed out that right now, you know, I don't have the biological hair to wear it the way that I want to, but I think I could actually still wear it. I really do think I can wear it with hats and even in a pony and things like that, because of the density and because of the type of topper that it is. So let's move on. Let's talk about this topper. Let's talk about the features. Let's talk about, you know, how you put it on so you guys can get an idea of how this works. So this is the Thin Hair Thick Topper Shadow Rooted Platinum Silk2Lace Long Length. Okay, so this is their 20-inch length Silk2Lace Shadow Rooted Platinum. That's the color, Shadow Rooted Platinum. That's what you see right here. You have this gorgeous shadow root and this platinum blonde color. Very, very pretty. If you have darker biological hair, if you have some dark roots, this will blend with your bio hair really, really well. If you have progressive hair loss, if you have a lot of hair loss in your crown, in your front, then this is a fantastic base construction for you, because you have that lace front that transitions into silk, and this lace front goes ear to ear, so you don't need to utilize any of your own biological hair. You don't have to blend anything. This topper is quite large. It extends 8 inches from front to back. And then of course you guys have that ear to ear lace front. So you don't have to use any of that bio hair. Like I mentioned, it's absolutely amazing. So you have the fantastic features of that, you know, that silk, that realistic parting space all over. You can part it every which way and it looks so real. You have that lace front, and you have it that extends from ear to ear. As you can see, you have a large base. So that base goes, let's see, from the front up here, clear back to right here. See where my finger is right there? So it's not as large as a wig, but it is a very large base. So I would say back behind the crown. And I'll show you guys the underside when I take this here topper off. So this density is standard. I love the density. It looks very natural, and blended with your biological hair, you're going to have plenty of hair. It's going to look good. It's going to blend, and it's going to look fabulous. Like I mentioned before, this is 20 inches. This is their longest length. Now the texture of this gorgeous human hair is subtly wavy. So you don't have bone straight. It does have some texture to it. And I noticed that when I was adding curl to it, but I do like that. I'm wondering when you do wash it, if it dries slightly wavy. And if that's the case, you know, I really do like that. I like having a kind of a beachy look when it air dries. Now, because I don't have any bio hair to blend with this topper, and that's typically what you do is you blend your bio hair with the topper hair, I can't guarantee, I don't know what it's gonna look like in the back, and I haven't really looked closely. So let's do a full turnaround so you guys can see the coverage and how much hair you're going to have when you blend this here topper with your bio hair. You know, I can tell that there's a good amount of hair here. The length is gorgeous, but let's do a full turnaround so you guys can see. The coverage seems pretty dang good. So when I pull the hair up front like this, let's look at it then. Still pretty good coverage, but you can see I don't have hair, you know, traveling down behind because I don't have biological hair to hang behind. But you get the idea. Okay, let's take off this here topper and show you guys the underside. Now, as I took that off, I also took off this Wig Grip. This is their thin hair thick poly lace wig grip, and this is their low profile one. It's very thin with this band, and this is so that you can also use this area right here to use adhesives. I did a video using this here Wig Grip, so if you want to head on back and check out the video using my lace front topper and, you know, using a piece of Walker tape to tack that down on this here Wig Grip, you can check that out, or you can use the Wig Grip and slide the combs underneath. Either way it works both ways, but that gives you options to tack down your lace fronts if you'd like to, or use the clips if you'd like to. You know, you just have those options so you can utilize that Wig Grip but not have the need for clips and not have the need to damage or hurt your biological hair. So as you can see, you have that lace front that's ear to ear. You have that lace all the way from ear to ear. That's hand tied, and then that transitions into the silk, as you can see. So that hand-tied lace transitions into this gorgeous silk. The silk area is this whole section right here. So you have all of that multi-directional parting space so that you can, you know, basically style and part that hair every which way and have it look like natural hair growth. And look how good that looks. That silk looks amazing. Then you do have some closed wefting to create that larger base. So this base is large. It has fantastic coverage. So you have, you know, that great coverage. You have more hair. You have more density. It just overall gives you more of everything. So if you have like that progressive hair loss, but you do want to wear a topper, you do want to utilize your biological hair, this is a great option. Of course, you have the thin hair thick band, the way that it sits on your head, and you can adjust it so that it fits nice and secure and snug, and you fit that over your choice of wig grip. They have their options of wig grips on their website. So now if I had my bio hair, I would put it in a ponytail, and then I would put my wig grip of choice on. Since I don't have bio hair, I'll just go ahead and put the wig grip on. And because I don't have any bio hair, I don't need to worry about my front hair. But if I did, I wouldn't need to worry about my front hair anyway, because this here topper has a lace front and there is no need for blending. Oftentimes you'll get a topper with that blunt edge, and that's where you would shimmy out that front hairline and the sides to blend with your topper. That's not needed with this because you have that front lace that's ear to ear. So it's not necessary to blend any biological hair with the front of this. So I would have my ponytail back here, and if you look at some previous videos of mine, you'll see the whole, you know, the whole tutorial on how to put these on when you have biological hair. It's quite easy. It's not rocket science, but I kind of wanted to experiment and see how I could show this and wear this in front of you guys with my hair in the condition that it is, with it buzzed. So I will take this here comb, slide it under the wig grip, and then I will take the band and let it sit behind my head right here at the nape. Look how far this here base goes. It goes pretty dang far. It is a large base. So no wonder the coverage is so good, even though I don't have any bio hair to mix along with this here beautiful thin hair thick topper. Now I'm going to adjust so it sits where I'd like it on my head, which is about right there. Style as needed, curl it, whatever you'd like to do. Actually, it'd probably be easier to curl it off the head, at least I think so. Some people curl their toppers and wigs when it's on, I don't know, whatever, to each their own. Anyway, what do you guys think about this beautiful piece? I think it is absolutely beautiful. I was so thrilled to try this on when I went and saw the beautiful winner who took another topper home. If you guys have been following Thin Hair Thick, you can see the winner and, you know, her pictures, and they've had some videos of that day. I highly suggest checking out their Instagram and seeing if you can, you know, find any of those videos. There's some educational content on there as well. If you have any questions about this topper or other toppers, you know, the whole concept with Thin Hair Thick, let me know, comment below, but definitely reach out to Thin Hair Thick. They have customer service. They can help you with any of your questions or concerns. And you guys, you can use a discount code THT007 to get a discount at Thin Hair Thick. Again, I will have all those links and all that information down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and bearing with me. You know, it's different putting on a topper without hair underneath, but I'm very, very impressed with the coverage that this here topper has. I'm impressed with the front lace line. Here, let me give you guys a closer look of that front lace. See that? Up close. So none of my bio hair obviously is sticking out. Don't need it. You can pull it back, put it in a clip, whatever you'd like to do. I'm just really impressed because I have no hair to work with this here topper, and honestly, I don't even know if it's really needed. I could probably wear this out and nobody would even realize, because look at the coverage of that full base. Not that I had a lot of bio hair anyway, like it was a tiny little stringy rat tail, and honestly it was a little bit darker. It was the color of the root, and so maybe it looks better without it, but I love the color. I love the rooting. I think it looks really natural. I love the density. The human hair feels fantastic, feels soft. So very, very impressed. I want to thank Thin Hair Thick for giving me the opportunity to share this with you guys, and giving me the opportunity to work with them on that giveaway. They are a fantastic company, super down to earth, and I've had just a very wonderful time trying out their products and stuff throughout the years, because they are just a fantastic group of ladies trying to, you know, be innovative and help those out there with hair loss, just coming up with different options and ways to help those who need it out there in the community, and I'm here for it. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Let me know your thoughts on this topper. Let me know your thoughts on this color, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Okay. Bye.